Oh, my bad, y'all. What's up, y'all? Welcome to Boss Man TV. It's your man, Boss Man here. Glove Man. How y'all doing there on this beautiful Thursday? It's chilly today and stuff like that. Indianapolis today. Before I start this video off, first I want to say is first thing is I got a vlog. I got vlog number 4 dropping for y'all real soon. So y'all stay tuned for that. I got some good footage. The great actor Mike Epps, stuff like that. You know, he from Indianapolis, shit like that. So you know, every time events there or you might catch him out. Sometimes he just might pop out here and there. You really see him, he might pop out. I done ran into Mike Epps probably like my second time running into him. First time I ran into him, I got a picture with him, stuff like that. As y'all see, I put the picture right there. That was back in 2019. See, December 2019. Yeah, December 2019. I took a picture with him. But now, so basically, I'm doing a react video. I'm starting doing react video. Also, first, I want to say is after the vlog, the Boss Man merch is out now. Boss Gang merch is out now. So I'm gonna drop the website for that. Also, y'all, some of y'all that do follow me on TikTok, appreciate the love. Some of y'all don't. I want y'all to go inside over and follow me on TikTok. I'm put that down below. Follow me on TikTok. I'm TikTok famous. If you know I got TikTok famous in a month, I'll let you know. Stuff like that. Well, let's get into this video. I've been hearing this. They said this is, I guess this is a viral song going on TikTok. I don't know if it is or not. That's what I've been hearing. I got like DMs on TikTok asking me to react to this video. It's called, it's by some dudes. I'm gonna just call them the DCG gang because they all got DCG in their name. The video got over 2.5 million, so let's get into it and stuff like that. And we'll see what they working with.
Drum dealers. Spank on the beat.
Bitch, I'm the go. He think he wrong.
Okay.
I hate this bitch to be too soft. We playing with Dino basketball. He bought.
What did he just say? Take that back. What did he just say?
Spank on the beat.
Bitch, I'm the go. He think he wrong. I hate this bitch to be too soft. We playing with Dino basketball.
That's a little suspect to me. That's a little suspect to me.
He bought a chain and ripped them off. I got a check. I spent it all. I wrecked this bitch racing with fraud. The bitch, we high round of applause. We spanked his ass, pull up his drawers. He got back down for fat and all. I got a check, I spent it all. I wrecked this bitch racing with fraud. The bitch, we high round of applause. We spanked his ass, pull up his drawers. He got back down.
What the fuck's on this generation with this music and shit?
For fat and all. Shut down the joint, this bitch on pause. I smoke exotic, this shit fraud. Soulays from her shit tall.
She want me to fuck, I'm tell her no. Ride with them killers, I'm making a call. Snitching on niggas, he telling it all. Fuck that bitch.
Was these niggas swinging golf clubs around like they was some females? I know they was.
Her shit tall.
She want me to fuck, I'm tell her no. Ride with them killers, I'm making a call. Snitching on niggas, he telling it all. Fuck that bitch, I never call. Fuck them niggas, I'll kill them all. I'm fucking this bitch, she sucking my balls. I got a Glock.
What
No
the
niggas, he
fuck?
telling it all. Fuck that bitch, I never call. Fuck them niggas, I'll kill them all. I'm fucking this bitch, she sucking my balls. I got a
These niggas suspect, bro. For real, these niggas a suspect. I don't know why I'm reacting to this shit, man.
Glock, you got a drum. I'm fucking this bitch, she said I got a bum. Said that I'm nasty, nut on her tongue. We pull up on niggas, we making them run.
Yeah, they definitely suspect. Cause if he said none of her mouth, this nigga spitting out water, whatever the fuck he spitting out his mouth. Y'all niggas a suspect. And I don't know why I keep doing this song, man. I'm not fucking with the song off the breath. I'm just gonna keep one with y'all.
I ain't got no kids, but I want a son. I go do a hit and go on a run.
Bitch, I'm the go. He think he wrong. I hate this bitch to be too soft. We playing with Dino basketball.
And he happy saying that shit. He playing with another man. He saying. Then these niggas eat chicken wings and shit. Y'all fucking don't do chicken wings like that.
He bought a chain and ripped them off. I gotta check and spit that all. I wreck this bitch racing with frog. The bitch we high round of applause. We spanked his ass, pull up his drawers. He got back down for fentanyl. Shut down the joint, this bitch. On pause, I smoke exotic, this shit frogs. New lace crump, but her shit tall. Okay, let's go, bitch. I'm too hot. I'm in they blogs. Brand new shirt, we smoke out raw. His ass died, but what's the cause? Okay, let's go, bitch. That shit fake, it ain't in stores. Drink my white, but it ain't yours.
Okay.
I drip Dior. Let's go, show. I just spent 10 in just one store. Bitch, my Gucci Tiger Roy. Damper then out to the floor. Okay, bitch, I checked that 10 back off of course. I could buy your bitch's store. You know my conscience off the Lord's.
I fuck with his verse. Now he get a pass. I fuck with his verse. He ain't said nothing suspect or nothing fruity. He said straight bars. I fuck with his part.
I'm gonna go, he think he raw.
The other two gotta go.
This bitch to be too soft. We playing with Dino basketball. He bought a chain and ripped them off. I gotta check and spit that all. I wreck this bitch racing with frog. The bitch we high round of applause. We spanked his ass, pull up his drawers. He got back down for fentanyl. Shut down the joint, this bitch on pause. I smoke exotic, this shit frogs. New lace crump, but her shit tall. Okay, let's go.
These niggas is fried. He looks suspect as fuck too. Yeah, he definitely suspect. The other two look suspect. Light skinned dude cool. He rap straight bars. Yeah, to that song, man, okay, what I'm feeling the song is they could deal better with all that little suspect shit they were saying in the song. The rest of the song was cool. Light skinned dude, the last one that got the verse, he spit some bars, but the other two suspect as fuck. Watch out for them. He looks suspect. Man, my reaction on that video, I'm gonna tell y'all, I'll be honest with you. Do I like the song? It's trash as fuck. Third verse, dude that did third verse could have been off better with himself doing the song, something way better. Or if they would have left the little suspect shit out and the shit they were doing in the video, they left this shit out. But other than that, the song was trash, man. Video definitely suspect as fuck, man. So like that. Hope y'all like video, my bad, video and stuff like that. My mind's messed up to seeing that. I gotta get that stuff out of my head. But y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit the notification button, like, comment down there if y'all like that or not. Let me know what y'all want my next reaction video to be. I'm out of here.